Making a beautiful teapot and teacup set in pottery requires a blend of technique, creativity, and craftsmanship. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve an amazing set. 1. Choose the right clay. Stoneware or porcelain. These types of clay are ideal for teapots and cups because of their durability and fine texture. Earthenware, easier to work with but less durable. It can still work if well glazed. 2. Prepare the clay. Whisk the clay. This process helps to remove air bubbles and ensure the clay is homogeneous. Shape the clay. Form the clay into a ball or block, depending on whether you're using a wheel or hand building. 3. Wiltering the teapot and teacups. Center the clay. Use a pottery wheel to center the clay ball. Form the body of the teapot. Shape it into a rounded form for the main vessel. Keep the wall thickness consistent. Form the cups. Create smaller, matching cups by centering and pulling the clay to the desired shape. Keep the height and size uniform. 4. Adding the spout, handle, and lid. Spout. Throw a long, tapered piece for the spout, then attach it to the body. Ensure proper alignment and smooth the joint. Handle. Create a sturdy but elegant handle by pulling or sculpting the clay into shape, then attaching it to the teapot and cups. Lid. Form a lid that fits snugly on the teapot. It should have a small handle enough for easy lifting. 5. Let the pieces dry. Allow your pieces to dry slowly to a leather-hard stage. This is when the clay is firm, but still damp enough to work with. 6. Trimming and refining. Trim the base. Use trimming tools to refine the bottom of the teapot and cups, removing excess clay and creating a clean, even finish. Decorate. Carve, stamp, or add textures to your pieces for decorative flair. 7. Bisque firing. Fire the pieces in a kiln at a lower temperature. This hardens the clay, but keeps it porous for glazing. 8. Glazing. Choose a glaze. Select glazes that complement each other for the teapot and cups. You can use a glossy or matte finish, or even experiment with layering glazes for unique effects. Dip or paint. Apply the glaze evenly by dipping, pouring, or immersing it onto the bisque-fired pieces. 9. Final glaze firing. Fire the glazed pieces at a higher temperature. This will vitrify the clay and give it a durable, waterproof finish. 10. Finishing touches. After cooling, inspect the pieces for any rough edges and sand them if necessary. Check the teapot spout for a clean pour and make sure the handle feels comfortable. Tips for a beautiful finish. Symmetry. Aim for balanced and harmonious shapes, especially for set. Glaze with intention. Use contrasting or complementary colors for visual appeal. Detail work. Add fine details like floral engravings or geometric cuts. This approach, combining traditional pottery techniques with personal creativity, will help you craft a beautiful teapot and teacup set.